Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Disney Plus on your Mac. And right here, I'm currently using Windows. Even though this is a Mac, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first things first, you're going to go to your App Store and type in here Disney Plus. If you're using a MacBook or your iPad or tablet, you will not get Disney Plus on Play Store or App Store. As you can see right there, this is not going to be accessible if you're using your MacBook, alright? Now, how can we do this? So first, just go to the website of Disney Plus. Now, if you're using a MacBook, simply type on the file on Safari and basically add to dock. It should be looking like this. All right, file and then add to dock. Now, if you're using, of course, a Windows, just simply on that lock icon right there, hold it, drag it, and place it anywhere on your desktop. All right, and basically, as you can see right here, if I double click on that one, it will open up to the website of Disney Plus. It's gonna be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.